This is a Jersey Barrier. This is a Barrett M82A1. This thing is not long for this world. We're gonna pick it apart today, slowly and surely. We're gonna shoot it. A lot of YouTube channels, gun tubers, or whatever you might call them, always say, how many X will stop a bullet? I am here to say, how many bullets will it take to destroy that? 650 grain ball ammo. This is a private gun range. It's 200 yards back to my target. Ear Pro, Eye Pro. We have 100 rounds to do this with. This is going to be a very expensive video, so please hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. I'm thinking about making this a 50 cal Friday type of thing. Whenever I get something cool to destroy with that, we're gonna make a video on it. Let's put the shot counter on the screen. Let's see how many bullets it takes to tear this thing up. You want to hear the most satisfying sound in the world? Oh, I love that sound. Firing! 1, 2. Damn. Low and right. High. Yeah, I know. I was going for the high. I'm gonna work from the top down. Ah, that's the first mag. Let's go down there and check out our progress. This thing left a hole in this target, this Jersey Barrier, about the size of my hand. All this junk wasn't here a minute ago. So as I stated, we're gonna try, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to mention. I was kind of all over the place because I was shooting it kind of random. Wow, look at this one. I mean, it's every bit of 4 inches deep. I think we're gonna get this whole thing torn up, but we're gonna try to just cut it in half. So now I'm gonna quit going random all over the place. I'm gonna start at the top and work my way down. And if we get that in less than 50 shots or so, we'll keep going. Working from the top down. Oh, my glass is fogged up. Holy crap. Oh. Got her lower. Let's go check our progress. Holy crap. Well, as you can see, there's some rebar. 18 rounds. And we're already a third of the way down to the bottom of this. So, let's keep going. I gotta hear that sound. You are cleared to engage. Arr! Reload. You weren't wasting no time on that one, were you? All right, so now we're up to 36 rounds. Let's go see what we did. All right, 36 rounds into it. We burrowed the hole all the way through right here. So we wasted a few rounds there. I'm gonna go ahead and clear this out. You know what, that's close enough, I think. So I'm gonna try to put one in right there, and then we'll start working on this side of the block. If you're still watching, thanks for sticking around. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, please. Tell all your friends. Let's yeah, let's, mother. Yeah. There too. Oh, blooper reel. Anyway, if you're still here watching this, you know what I'm saying. Okay, fire egg. I just broke the whole right side of it right in half. Yeah, it's messed up. Let's put another 9 in it and see what happens. Maybe I'll start working on the left side. All right, we're gonna try working on the left side because we already broke the right chunk in half, it looks like. We're gonna take a look after this. I just broke half of that half in half.
Hope you can't be half in, half out.
All right, let's just shoot the far top right cluster. Go for the far bottom right chunk now. Hang on. What? I forgot. Oh, okay. Here's the weapon. Let's go down range and check this thing out. This thing is, I mean, this side is, I would say, once we get this to break in half, we're done, right? But we got one more half to do over here. This is going a little bit better than I thought it would. I got to be completely honest with you. 3, 2, 1, fire! My turn. Fuck, that hurts. I can't see a damn thing. I can't see nothing. I just blew a big chunk off the whole corner of that thing. Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and send another mag down there. Oh. Alright, well, let's go check our progress. All right, I for now, I mean, I know the counter is like over here somewhere, but personally, as of this moment, I have no idea how many rounds we put down range so far. But oh boy, we're putting some work in. This thing is not long for this world. Still got a pretty decent chunk left right here. So we're gonna work on that. I kind of want to, this will be a bonus shot. We'll see if we get that. But this side, 9-10 rounds, and it's pretty much halfway done. So I got my paint over here I use for all my pistol targets to keep everything from getting all rusty, crusty acres. So I'm gonna make a couple reference marks and see if we can finish this thing off in another 18-20 rounds. So side quest, we have a different target. Don't really know if it's gonna be really cool, but at least it's been raining all day. We're hoping to get an explosion. Last 10 rounds.
Are you going for the can first?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We're gonna try the special target first. Target eliminated. I hit it. No joy. Top right. Got it. Far left.
Oh,
What the hell was that?
you hit it.
Oh, you know what? The gas was still laying on the, because I hit the can 2 shots ago. That was cool. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't get excited like that about a whole bunch, but that was cool. I really hope the camera down range got that. Oh boy. All right. Bottom right. There's no more paint to be found. Oh, there's some. All right, looks like there's some paint on the very bottom left.
That was a good one.
I missed it though. All right, there's just a big chunk left on the far left. Ah, no flinch. Check this out. I'd say we did our job today. That's cool. I think I'm gonna keep that over here for a trophy. So, oh my God, look at this. Here's the can of ether. Well and truly done the demo dude's way.
Smell it.
Yeah, you can still smell it. It stinks. And then, so I hit that my very first shot, and the fire came 2 shots later. I don't know. It must have hit. It must have put off some kind of spark. But anyway, we've done a pretty darn good job of blowing this thing up. The goal was to get every piece hand loadable. That chunk there is a little too big. That chunk there is a little too big. There's a decent sized chunk right here in the middle left. But you know what? I think it was a success. Thanks for watching this episode of Demo Dudes, and we'll catch you on the next one.